welcome back to my channel. I'm kateschwanke and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Cavology fall collection. And we are so excited. I'm gonna show you guys how Emma looks and what I received as well, so you guys can get an idea of what it's gonna look like on your Cav if you have a Cavalier or if you have another dog too. Because these can fit up to all kinds of sizes. You have small, medium, and large that you can fit in the harnesses that I have in this box. So this collection actually features 3 new prints. You have Matcha, which is a green, it's super pretty. You also have Tea Rose and London Fog. So I'm really excited to share with you guys the 2 that I chose. So here we go. I think they're gonna look gorgeous on Emma. Are you excited about your new outfits? She loves wearing her Cavology stuff and I love matching with her. Here we go, you look in the box? All right, ooh. Here we go. Oh, these are so pretty already. Here's my little thank you card. Aw, thank you, Mai. I love it when she writes handwritten notes and she will do that with every order. Thank you, Mai. What do you think, Emma? I have 2 of the new prints in here. So this is what it looks like. That's Tea Rose on top there. So pretty. It's got a lot of plum in it and it's very floral. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that one first. Oh, this is gonna fit you so nicely, Emma. We got her the medium this time because she's bulked up a little bit since the last video I did. I think she's around, you are always after this paper. She's around 12 pounds now. And she's actually having a birthday next month. I can't believe it. She's gonna be a big 1-year-old. So here is the Tea Rose. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. I love all of the colors in there. All the hues in there are perfect for fall. This is a step-in harness. So the way this works is it has a large part on the back with Velcro. Are you excited? And then you have a buckle on top. Should we put this on you and see what we think? You want to wear it? Okay. So getting them into these harnesses is pretty easy. Usually she doesn't give me any trouble. So here we go. I thought you wanted to wear this. There we go. So you just hook them up on the back here. This is a perfect fit for her. Oh, you look so pretty. You look so pretty. Look at her, you guys. Doesn't she look so cute in her harness? You're a good model, you know that? So that is the Tea Rose, and it's actually, I have it here in a bundle. So the bundles come with the harness, as you see here. It also comes with a waist dispenser, and the waist dispensers actually come with a set of baggies inside, so isn't that super cute? They come out through the top here, and on the back has a zipper, so you can actually reload it anytime you need to. And this just hooks right onto the leash, which comes with the bundle. So let me go ahead and pull out the new leashes. Now the leash, ooh, I love it. Ooh, it has such a cool feel to it. It has like a rubberized feel to it, but it's very soft. Oh, I like this. It feels really durable. And it comes in this gorgeous plum color. So I want to show you guys, it has the logo for Cavology right here. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. And this is what it looks like. You have these little buttons here, and you have your D-ring here. Isn't that cute? This is so pretty. All right, Emma, come here. Good girl. So you would just hook this right up here on top. If I can get it, your face is always in the way. Oh, what a pretty set. I love it. Show everybody how cute you look. And then you would just hook on your poopy bag dispenser to the end here. So I love this set. It is so pretty. So this is Tea Rose. It is releasing on August 19th. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to shop Cavology for the fall collection, if you use code EMMA, all caps, then you will get 10% off your order, which helps a ton when you're purchasing. So definitely use code EMMA and let me know if you do. Are you so happy? Oh, yes you are. You know what? You have one more outfit in there. I bet you'll be so excited. All right, so let's go over London Fog. As I mentioned, there are 3, and Matcha is one of those colors, but I just wanted to have these 2 because I felt like they were the most feminine. but I feel like this one could go either way. And this is London Fog. It is super pretty. It has different tones of taupe and cream and white and tan. It's so pretty. Emma, do you want to try this one on? You want to try this on? Come here. Oh, let's put this on. This is a medium as well, so it should fit her exactly the same as the other one. Go. All right. That wasn't too hard. Oh, that looks so pretty on you. Oh, I love this one. I'm getting Burberry vibes. Look how cute, you guys. I love this one. So pretty. Emma, you look adorable. I love it. So with this set, the bundles, you get another baggie dispenser. And it looks like this. So cute. And then you also get the leash included with that bundle. And it matches this perfectly. This is a deeper type of cream on the verge of being a beige. So I really like it, but I love the feel of this. It's so like rubbery feeling, but it's soft. So I love this. So this is what it looks like. Up close, and then you have the buttons there. I really love that detail. I think that is really cute. Emma, come here. Good girl. All right. Let's hook you up. And put this on here. I really love the black hardware with these sets too. So that is what it looks like. It looks so pretty on you, Emma. So cute, you guys. I love it. What do you think of the new fall collection from Cavology? Do you love it as much as I do? Comment down below and let me know what your favorite piece was from this unboxing. I would also love to know what you are planning to order from this release down in the comments below. Don't forget to use code Emma to save 10% on your purchase. Don't forget to follow Emma and I on Instagram. You'll find me at kateschwanke and you'll find Emma at Little Lady Emma. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.